So, welcome back to another episode 3 uh, of the project Skoda Rapid. And as you all are aware, we are doing a mini restoration and, of course, the seventh service of our Skoda Rapid. It'll be 7 years in August, and the car definitely needed a lot of work. And if you have seen our previous episode, I mean, we got the oil changed, the oil filter changed, the air filter changed, and what else? Coolant, brakes were polished, and I think, am I missing out on anything? At least all this happened in front of me, and yeah, the general service was mostly done. In the first episode, I think 90% of it was done. Transmission fluid will also be changed. I'm sure that is already done. That was done in my absence only, I'm sure. Next is, I mean, look at how these buses honk. Calcutta mein buses race each other to get ahead of each other. They don't follow rules at all here. It is very dangerous, in Calcutta roads when it comes to buses and autos. I mean, it's pathetic, absolutely pathetic. Anyway, so where was I? I'm so pissing off. So where was I? Yeah. So yeah, the bodywork has begun. I was updated that the bodywork began yesterday only. Today is Saturday. We gave the car on Thursday, so Friday ko bodywork chalu ho gaya tha, and I'm sure the transmission fluid and everything has already been replaced and changed. And I'm not sure whether the spark plugs have been changed or not, whether the self of the car is checked or not. So I'll have to go there and ask them. I'm excited to see the progress of the work in our Skoda Rapid. And we're also getting a Slavia polish today from the same place, Chooses Auto Spa. So yeah, that's another thing. So it'll be another, whole day. So it'll be, I'll be there for the whole day again. And I will, document as much as I can, record as much as I can, and share as much as I can with you guys regarding the progress of the Skoda Rapid. And I'm excited to take the delivery. I hope they deliver it soon. So Rapid has gone for a road test. They're just testing whether there's any rattling noise or any unusual noise in the car, how it's driving and everything. How's the smoothness? So all that is being tested right now. So it's gone for a road test. Once it's back, I'll of course show you in what condition our car is in right now. Of course, the Slavia is in the polishing room. We're getting it polished, standard polish, nothing over the top, just to keep the car new and maintained, of course. And yeah, I'm really excited to show you all the Skoda Rapid's condition. Kahan hai meri gaadi? अभी तक आई नहीं है. आते ही I'll show you guys. Stay tuned. So the Rapid is back from its long road test. There's some noise coming from the left side as per them, so they'll check it out. And it's good, check it out, check everything out. इसलिए गाड़ी यहाँ दी है हम लोग. And of course, what all has been changed, you all are aware. Check it out, the bodywork has not started yet. The brakes are shining. So they'll start working on it right now, and I'll share the process as much as I can. And there Slavia is being polished. Let me just help you get a better look. Check it out. अंदर ही जाके दिखाता हूँ. Here you go. So as the work is on, you can see the chemical applied on the bumper and everything. So they're doing it. So yeah, that's obvious. The Rapid is going up the lift. Let me show you. Check it, check it. There you go, guys. So I'll update you all. Everything will be shown. Stay tuned. So update, our Rapid caliper pin on the left side is making some noise. So they're checking it right now, and they're opening the tire. Let me show you. There you go. As you can see, so they're gonna check it, update me as to what's up. So yeah, let's see what's going on here. If they need to change the pin or whatever, we'll do that, because brake se panga nahi le sakte. Stay tuned. So all 4 ABS sensors are going to be changed, the rear and the front. So all were malfunctioned. So that's what's happening right now. As you can see, he's opening the drums for the rear. He's already opened, I think, he's already replaced for the front brakes. Now they're doing it for the rear brakes. Work on our throttle body is done. They have installed it back. They have changed the transmission fluid. I've already shown you that as well. And they have replaced 2 ABS sensors. The rear ones are still left, so that will come tomorrow. And the window, the rear window, the left side rear window was causing some issues. So I had told them earlier. I think I forgot to mention it to you guys. So that will be worked upon today. So all the mechanical stuff, I think the sensors will come today only, the ABS sensor. So that all the mechanicals will be completed today, and tomorrow they'll touch the body around 12 to 12:30. So I'm not ending this video right now. I'm just going to come back tomorrow and we'll continue the same episode. And most probably in the 3rd episode, we'll receive the car. We'll see what the situation is like. Welcome back. We are back again at Suzu's Auto Spa, and hopefully the body work has begun, so that I can show you some stuff, and let's understand the progress. I think most of the mechanical work is done. We will confirm with the advisor what all has been done, and I'll update you guys accordingly. And I'm excited to see whether they've started the work or not. नहीं तो फिर मेरे को आना पड़ेगा यार. So hopefully they've started. Fingers crossed. And yeah, let's get inside and show you all the car. So car is here, guys, as you can see, and paint work is going to get started in another half an hour. So again, I'm here today, and I'll show you once it gets started as much as I can. I want to know your thoughts on the previous episode. Did you enjoy it? Are you enjoying this series so far? Do let me know in the comments section. Cannot wait to unveil the Rapid to you guys once it's all brand new once again. So I'm sitting inside right now. I thought I'll just start it and show you guys what's up. So the ABS error is gone, as you can see. So ABS sensors have been replaced, and let us start the car and understand the issue with the self, if that's gone or not. Yep, it's gone, and it started immediately. Otherwise earlier there was some lag. It used to crank, but starting it used to take like 2 to 3 seconds. So let's rev it. Revving it also, it sounds good. Let me show you once again. So it feels smoother, and everything is working well. So chala ke pata chalega aage. Then we'll have the final verdict. But apart from that, no warning signs or anything like that in our Rapid. Everything is perfect, but it's really dirty. Abhi bahut ganda hai gaadi. So yeah, this is the scenario right now. And on the solid chal raha hai. What's up, Turbo? So we are at Suzu's Auto Spa again, and you can see we're pulling out the dent. So that's happening right now, and of course this whole left side will be painted. And they pulled out the rear tail lamps. They pulled out the bumper from the front to paint that. So work is going on. I believe it will take another 3-4 days, 5 days max, as to for the car to be ready and everything. And you can see the rear from here. Check out the rear. Lights have been pulled on. The car is of course very dusty and dirty right now. And this is what's going on in the interior. Check. No use showing it. Of course, I'm also under the weather, so I apologize for that if I'm sounding a bit weird. All the mechanical work is done. So now they have started with the body. As you can see, it's going on. So let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think? I believe I think I'll show you a little bit more work, or maybe I'll end the episode soon. And we'll show the rest of the work in the next episode, or maybe we'll show the final look only straight away. Because those two workshop are impossible, guys. So I'm trying to cover as much as I can, but yeah, this is what the status is right now. So I'm ending the video only, and we'll meet in the next episode. What are your thoughts though? Let me know in the comments. And I really appreciate your support, guys. It means the world to me. It means a lot. The car is still being worked upon, so subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video as much as you can. Leave a like. Leave your feedback, and don't forget to press the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on my future updates. I'll see you all soon in the next one. Take care, stay safe, drive safe. Bye-bye.